Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me, Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so attractive ideas of Pixie haircut with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and many much more latest ideas of Pixie haircut, short hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut in Pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and so beautiful attractive collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, and some ideas with bang. Beautiful ideas of bang you see in this video. Some collection chin length, some ideas nose length, some ideas too short hair, and so attractive ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, and light brown, dark brown, ash color, and very beautiful collection of funky colors. Very attractive collection of highlights, highlights in burgundy color, in ash color, in funky colors, and very attractive ideas of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle, wavy curly hairstyling, so attractive collection of spiky hairstyle, and trendy ideas of messy hairstyle, and many much more beautiful ideas in Pixie in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.